What's up guys, today we're gonna be doing a love challenge for the dogs because I've been seeing the trend going on YouTube about where you guys run in opposite end and see which one do they follow. So I believe Rock and Ruby's gonna follow me more because I'm sure they love me more. I'm sure.
No way! They will love me more than you, baby.
So we'll find out which one do they love more, me or so we're about to find out. All right, so let's get to it. Alright guys, I think I won. I think I'm the winner. So or maybe Rock's the winner because Ruby was following Rock. Oh man, I'm out, bro. I think I just ran a mile. And if you like the video, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Hey guys, enjoying the sunbathe? Huh? This is Nest's favorite spot.